Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by deciding what you want. Be specific about subject, style, and output size. Gather 3-5 concrete descriptors, colors, materials, lighting, and pick a reference style or artist. Begin with a concise seed sentence that names the subject and mood, then append key modifiers. Once done, add camera or lens notes for framing. This guides composition and perspective. Make sure to keep the first prompt focused and test a single variation, so you isolate which changes matter. Now refine by trading vague words for precise modifiers. You want aperture-like terms, focal lengths, and lighting direction to shape the image. Add composition constraints, rule of thirds, close-up, or aerial, and state depth of field preferences. Then include negative prompts that explicitly ban artifacts, unwanted objects, or color casts. Once done, iterate by changing one variable at a time so you learn cause and effect. This helps you converge on a consistent visual language across prompts. Finish by running several seeds and selecting the best outputs, then tweak strength or guidance parameters to stabilize results. Save your final prompt and variations so you can reproduce or scale the look. If things go wrong, unexpected elements, weird anatomy, wrong colors, first increase specificity, then reduce creativity or guidance scale, and finally add targeted negative terms. Make sure to test small edits, iterative. Measured changes are faster than rewrites and teach you what each phrase controls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.